Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about what is GIS. GIS stands for Geographic Information System, which is a framework for gathering, managing and analyzing spatial data. It integrates various types of data to create a comprehensive pictures of the world, helping us understand patterns and relationships. GIS uses layers to visualize data, enabling deeper insights into locations. So if I elaborate more, that GIS or Geographic Information System, which combines different kinds of data, whether it could be spatial or non-spatial. To create maps and run different kind of analysis, we can use the tools of GIS. For example, spatial data could be the location of your cities, while non-spatial data might be the population of those cities. By layering these data types like spatial and non-spatial data, we can see a patterns like population density or how the infrastructure connects on different areas. Thank you.